Hello, it's Philip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and I'm looking today at a book from Oxford University Press. It's one of the books on commercial law which I think is a very useful commentary for the future. It's called Transnational Commercial Law, with a subheading of International Instruments and Commentary, now in a second edition, and it's been written by a number of people whom many will know. Goode, Herbert Kronke, I think that's pronounced, Ewan McKendrick and Geoffrey Wool. I do apologise if I've not pronounced the names properly. We've given it a title for Practitioners in Global Business, a welcome second edition of Transnational Commercial Law. And what we say is this, it's on the web and in the journals, we say that business is now global, and so too obviously is commercial law, which, like the world of business itself, changes continuously. Commercial lawyers virtually everywhere will welcome this new second edition of Transnational Commercial Law, recently published by OUP. We'll look at the book in a minute. The new edition incorporates and closely examines the numerous and diverse developments in transnational commercial law and transactional law itself, which has taken place since the publication of the first edition 7 years ago. The work as a whole has undergone comprehensive revision to include numerous new international instruments and additional ratifications of existing conventions, so there's a lot to look at. We've given some examples in our review of what you might find with the changes that take place, and we could go on here, but suffice to say that the list of the new material is formidably lengthy, which is all the more reason why, if you're professionally involved in commercial law, you need the expertise, scholarship, and above all the authority which this book gives. The structure's logical, and you can see it. There's the front of the book and the side. It runs to around about 1,000 pages, just over. Very detailed index at the back. What you would expect with the chapters, there are all sorts of things. For instance, here are the rules, some of the rules which are set out. But if we go into the body of the book itself, you've got a whole range of particular statements dealing specifically with the law itself. It starts off in many cases with an introductory text. Let's just take that as one example. You can see you've got a little guide at the front. This is a chapter on international secured transactions. So you've got the introductory text there. Then you've got some paragraph numbering, which means you can actually find some of the information you're looking for. And you've also, of course, got a lot of very detailed footnotes. I think the book is extremely helpful. It's a very learned book, as you would expect from Professor Goode and the other people concerned. I'd like to thank OUP very much indeed for producing the new edition with the wealth of material. It's certainly a book which takes a little bit of getting used to find what you're looking for, but once you've mastered it, you've got everything you need actually at your fingertips. So thank you very much to all concerned. Bye bye.